Samsung is redefining the foldable smartphone industry with the groundbreaking Galaxy Z Fold 7, a device that sets a new benchmark for durability and innovation. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a bold leap into the future, featuring an ultra-reinforced structure, cutting-edge engineering, and a sleeker, more refined design. Samsung has pushed the boundaries of what a foldable can be, making the Z Fold 7 its toughest and most advanced model yet. One of the most significant advancements in the Z Fold 7 is its new internal reinforcement system, designed to maximize longevity and reliability. Samsung has completely overhauled the hinge mechanism, introducing a revolutionary gap-free hinge that not only enhances durability but also improves the phone's premium aesthetics. In addition, the device boasts an innovative dust protection system, featuring finely engineered brushes that prevent debris from accumulating within the hinge. This ensures smooth, long-lasting performance, even in the most demanding conditions. Every element of the Z Fold 7 has been meticulously crafted to endure more than ever before. The phone is slimmer yet stronger, engineered to withstand everyday wear and tear without compromising on style. With this latest iteration, Samsung is proving once again that its commitment to foldable technology is unmatched. The future of foldables isn't just here, it's stronger than ever. If the latest leaks hold true, the Z Fold 7 is about to revolutionize foldable photography. Samsung is expected to bring the powerful 200MP sensor from the Galaxy S25 Ultra into its foldable lineup, a monumental upgrade from the 50MP main camera on the Fold 6. This leap in resolution will enable sharper, more detailed photos, bringing flagship-level imaging to the foldable space for the first time. Beyond the main sensor, the camera system has been refined for an even better shooting experience. The under-display camera is getting an upgrade, though exact specifications remain under wraps. Meanwhile, the 12MP ultra-wide camera and 10MP telephoto lens are expected to remain, ensuring versatility in capturing everything from sweeping landscapes to zoomed-in details. If these rumors are true, the Z Fold 7 could be Samsung's most advanced foldable camera system yet, setting a new standard for photography in foldables. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is more than just another iteration, it's a major step forward in the world of foldables. From a thinner, wider design to a groundbreaking 200MP camera and a potentially game-changing S Pen experience, this device is looking more exciting with every leak. Samsung is making calculated refinements that enhance durability, performance, and usability, ensuring that the Z Fold 7 stands out as the best foldable smartphone yet. With just a few months to go before the official reveal, anticipation is building, and the tech world is buzzing with speculation. If the Z Fold 7 lives up to the hype, it could redefine what users expect from a foldable phone, proving once again that Samsung is leading the future of foldable technology.